In this video, I'm going to show you how to order FedEx supplies. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to their official website, then you want to click on shipping up top, and from here, you want to click on where it says packing and shipping supplies. Now, when you do this, it's going to take you to a separate page where you can basically select what type of supplies you want to order. So you want to click on buy supplies online, and it's going to take you to their shop over here, and you can then shop by type. So you have a bunch of different things. You have shipping boxes, packaging supplies, mailing tubes, envelopes, mailers, etc. There's a bunch of different things. For example, let's say we want packaging supplies or of course boxes. You can click on either of these and they're gonna open up in this kind of shop over here. So we have like the supplies over here. As you can see, this is now categorized by supplies. I can go ahead and add these to cart. So whatever you need, you can just click on add to cart and it's gonna be added to your cart here on the page. Okay, so that's the first way to do it. And then of course you could go ahead and do shipping boxes as well. For example, you can see these over here. You can add them to cart, etc. And then up here, top right, you can see your cart. You can just click on it, and then you can either proceed to checkout or do an express checkout. And that way, you can basically order your FedEx supplies. You just have to put in your details, and then of course pay for it, and you will get them, of course, for yourself. So that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.